Hi guys, Susan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you. I've recently entered a giveaway contest on GeekBuying, their Facebook page. They have partnered with TRONSMART, who recently signed a famous football player as their spokesperson for their product. And the football player's name is Luis Suarez. And I entered that as my guess as to who they hired. And yeah, I won. I just received my prize. Thank you, GeekBuying, for giving me this opportunity to win this. This is awesome. I have a lot of uses for this. So let's get into it, shall we? What I won was the TRONSMART Encore Spunky Buds wireless headphones. Now these have IPX5 water resistant coating, which is water resistant is different than waterproof. Now water resistant is plenty for this kind of a thing. True wireless stereo. And what I like is they're not connected with anything. You put them in your ears separately, so there's nothing to dangle or catch on anything. It's great. This is a cool little box, man. And it's really sturdy, so it came through the mail, no problem at all. Thank you. Okay, on the back here, it has multifunction touch button, LED indicator, fixed silicone ear hook, silicone earbud, USB charging port, a microphone, because these can be paired with your phone to do wireless hands-free calling. Love that. And it comes with a carrying case that also charges these earbuds. The operating range is up to 33 feet. The frequency range is 2.400 gigahertz to 2.480 gigahertz. The speaker is 10 millimeter. And yeah, so let's get into these things. Like, I want to see these. I did a little bit of research on the net once I found out I had won, because I wanted to find out just, you know, basics on this thing and know what I was looking at when I finally got it. So I've been itching to hear what these sound like, and to actually have them physically, so I have that now. Yay! Okay. Oh boy. Oh, it's sealed. Okay. I should have looked there. It's really hard to see that little tab, but it was just sealed, factory sealed, so yay. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like when you open the box, and these are some cool little things here. That is the charging case, and it is a 470 milliamp hour battery in there that charges these earbuds, and it can charge them 3 times before it needs recharging itself. You push this button. That is a cool little case. Look at that. You push this button here on the end, and it pops up, and you just dial it back. That is so cool. That is such a neat idea. Keeps it all compact and nothing to catch in your pocket or whatever. So you can travel with this and charge them on the go. Like if you're going away on a trip, just take this with you. It keeps them safe, it keeps them charged, and we're good to go. They come in the case just like that. They're plugged in here, and the little contact points. So they each have their own spot, because there's a right and a left. And They are kind of cool. And they're marked. R on this one and L on this one. So you know which one goes where, because they have intuitive gesture buttons on them. Okay. Let's see. What else comes in here? Let's see. A little TRONSMART box. And now I am assuming, yes, this is the USB charge cable that plugs into this charging pod here to charge it, so it can charge the earbuds 3 times, and then you have to charge this case again. That's awesome. That's a lot of uses and a lot of time between charges, so it'll last a long time. Okay. In this bag here with the USB cable is also 2 more sets of silicone earbuds here. Here we go. Now they're different sizes, and the idea behind that is so you can correctly size the earbuds to fit your ears snugly. This means that you can work out with them. You can take them on a run or a jog or whatever and listen to music as you go. That is a great idea, because I don't know about you, but I've had a lot of earbuds or headphones or whatever, and they don't fit right, and there's no way to make them fit right, so they keep falling out. So I am really excited about this part. Also in this box is a TRONSMART warranty card. This product is warranted to the original owner for 1 year from the date of purchase against defects in materials and workmanship under normal use and service. And there's like a model number and everything you got to fill out. So hey, there you go. 1 year warranty. That's good. And it also has a little bit of a owner's manual, basically telling you how to use these. It is really clear to understand. Tells you what the package contents should be, and they're all there. Tells you how to open up this thing in case you were wondering. Tells you how to use these, like where to tap on to get the different features working. Okay, let's see. It connects to your smartphone, either Android or iOS, via 4.2 Bluetooth. And okay, 4 hours of talk time, 3 hours of play time. So if you're listening to music, 3 hours. 4 hours if you're just talking back and forth. And 80 hours of standby. So you can be wearing them and not actively doing anything with them. And then you want to listen to music, so you turn the music on. That 80 hours of standby time is awesome. Okay, the left earpiece is the main headphone responsible for pairing with your device, while the right earpiece is a secondary headphone that pairs automatically with your device once you've paired the left piece successfully. So, take out the headphones from the case. Simultaneously, the pairing will start automatically and the indicator light will turn blue. Keep your device closer while pairing. Recommended distance is less than 1 meter. Turn on Bluetooth on your device. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's give this a try. Now, since it's brand new, I have charged this, both the case and the earbuds. And I'll insert a couple of pictures, still shots, to show you what that looked like. It does light up blue lights on the side here as it's charging, and it blinks as it's filling each one. There's 4 of them, and I'll put the shot of that in right here. Okay. Anyway, the case is all charged up, and so are the earbuds, so let's give this a try. I relocated the camera so that you can see close up how this works. I love this case. You push this little button here and it pops up, and then you just dial it open. I love that. These are held in magnetically, I found out, and they click right back into place. When you go to put them away, they click right into their places, so they won't move around in here if you're traveling. Okay, so let's start. Now, I am running a iPhone 6S just for reference, but this works with Android and iOS. So you go to your settings and you make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now, as you can see, it has TRONSMART here, not connected. I have paired this with my phone to make sure it worked fine before shooting more video. But I'll show you how that sets up. Now, all you need to do is make sure your Bluetooth is on, have the earbuds very close to it. The left one is the one that pairs with it. Can you see? It says TRONSMART Spunky Buds. There it is, connected. Okay? So once it's paired, it will always try and repair. As long as your Bluetooth is on, it will find them and repair with them. So, excuse me. Okay, so let's try this with music. You put these in your ears, obviously. The left one goes in the left, and the right goes in the right. They are very comfortable, by the way. I have the proper fitting one that I need, and this is silicone, so it's very soft, and it sits on the inside edge of your ear so that it helps hold it in place. But it's very, very comfortable. I can't stress that enough. I could wear these for a long, long time before they even thought about bothering me. So, I have this working. This is just a music app that I have. And let's see. Okay, now either earbud can be used to control music, but it's the left one only that controls phones, like phone calls. So the music is playing, as you can see. Wish you could hear this. This is great. It's got great bass response. It's got very dynamic sound. I really, really like the quality of these speakers. Now, say I want to change the situation here. Oops. Okay. To pause that song, you simply tap once. Okay, and it is back to not playing. You tap once to start it again, and it'll be playing. And then you tap twice, and we'll change to the next song. So that is very simple to remember. Tap once to turn it on, tap once to pause it, twice 2 taps makes it change to the next song, next track. So that is very easy to do. I love that. And the fact that with the music you can use either earbud. With the to do hands-free calling, it is only with the left hand one, the left ear. And it's the same system. It's to answer a call, 1 tap. To hang it up, 1 tap. To reject a call, like you get a call and your phone tells you who it is, etc. And you don't want to talk to them right now, 2 taps dismisses the call. So it's that simple. And I like that, that you can do music on either one, but the phone is on the left. That makes it very easy to isolate what you're doing with them. So if I'm listening to music and the phone call comes in, I know there's a phone call, so it's the left hand I tap. So these are absolutely astounding. I can't say enough good things about them. The speaker quality is clear and crisp. It has excellent bass response. The volume is plenty, and that is guided by your phone volume. So you turn your volume up or down on the phone, and it will relay it to the earbuds. They are very very lightweight, very easy to hold, and very comfortable to wear. The case is wonderful in that it clicks right back in. Watch this. I'll put them in here up close so you can see. It just grabs them and click. They're in. And click. They're in. Okay. See? That's lost its pairing now. So once they're in the case, they shut off. I don't know if you can see, but I'll put in a picture too. Once they hit the case, they start to charge so that they're ready for you for the next time. There's a little red light on the side of each earbud that shows it's charging, and it's blue when it's on. So you can very easily visually tell whether it's on or off. When it goes back in the case, as I said, it's charging. So all you do is dial it closed to the center and push down. And it's self-contained. You can shove that in your pocket. You don't have to worry about it catching on anything or having to plug it in anywhere. It plugs in the case. So thank you very, very much, GeekBuying, for this giveaway. Thank you, TRONSMART, for making such a wonderful, wonderful techie thing here. I'm going to get many, many hours of use out of this, and I thoroughly enjoy it. I will have to test out the phone call issue right now. I don't have a phone call coming in right now, so I can't show you that, but given how everything is working so well, I don't see a problem with that either. So anyway, there will be links in the description box of this video to GeekBuying site where you can buy one for yourself if you're interested in checking it out. I will also put a link to their Facebook page, which is where I entered this contest and won this. So it might be a good idea to check out their page too and hit the like on that page, and then you'll get their posts in your news feed. And maybe they'll have another contest with some really neat stuff that you might win. So thanks again, GeekBuying. Thank you, TRONSMART. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.